Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am need download driver Epson Workforce Pro, and this here is tutorial, and this here for the you type the driver download, and it's right. I am search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for the official website, and click here, and please wait. This here for the printer, and this here for you detect system operation automatic detect, and please wait. This here for detect my system operation. This here for detect my system operation for the Windows 8, and this here for the if you need change the driver the operating system and version, you click here. This here for the all operating system. This is for much operating system for the operating system Mac 12 and Mac 11 is here for Mac new driver version for the Mac, and I'm testing for the Mac 12, and you click go, and please wait website loading. Okay, and this here for the recommended for you your driver. This here for the drivers and utility combo package, and this click here. This here for the uh, March driver. This here for detect the driver support for the wireless, and this here for driver printer and driver scanner and driver fake utility for the Mac 12, and this here for the driver print for the Mac 12, driver scan for the Mac 12, driver scan two UCL for Mac 12, and this here for the driver software update for the Mac 12, and this here for the compatible your system operation version. This here for the Mac 12, Mac 11. This here for the new driver for Mac, and this here for the for the print only, and this here for the remote only for the and wireless, and this here for scan only support, and this here for the utility event manager software update and scan smart connect printer setup, and this here for utility Epson config and fake utility and scan UCL utility. This here for uh, recovery mode for the version firmware for the Mac firmware, and I am checking for the Windows 11. This here for the Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 9, Windows 7 driver, and I am this video. I need to download driver Windows 11. Select here for the driver Windows 11, and you click here go, and please wait. This here for the Mac for the Windows 11 for the driver, and recommended for you driver. This here for driver and utility combo package installing for the Windows 11. This here for support for wireless support driver, and this here for driver print for for Windows 11, and driver scan for the Windows 11, driver fake for the Windows 11, and driver event manager for the Windows 11 setup, and this here for already ink for the Windows 11, and this here for scan smart for the Windows 11, and this here for software update for Windows 11. This here compatible your operating system. This here for compatible your operating system driver Windows 11, driver Windows 8, and driver Windows 9.1, driver Windows 9, driver Windows 7, and driver Windows Vista for the this year for all operating system. If you need download your driver print only, just click here. This here for driver remote only for the Wi-Fi only driver, and this here for support Wi-Fi scanner and printer support. Scanner and printer support, and this here for the same for up your compatible combo package, and this here for print only. This here for a print only the driver cable, not a Wi-Fi, and this here for the scan driver for the cable, not Wi-Fi. If you need driver scan a Wi-Fi, you click here. This here for remote uh, for the printer and the Wi-Fi, for the printer and scanner for the Wi-Fi. This here for utility. This is cable utility, and it cable utility. This is for software update. If a fake utility, scan smart and scan printer setup utility, effort manager and net config, and UCR component for the USB cable. And this is for the firmware recovery mode firmware for the cable. Okay, this video I need to download driver Windows 11 and combo package, and I am recommended for you to here. This here for all the driver and package the driver and one install support much the tool for the printer, and I need to download here and install here, install setup here for the Windows 11 and need to download. You click download here. And please wait. This is for the driver Windows 11 download combo package. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer. If you need a finished driver, if you need finished driver download, you double click here. You double click here and you click this here for the detect your extract file, and you click you double click your setup or double click file. This here for you detect USB cable printer, and this here for install automatic your USB cable printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link, download the driver below description of video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video, share my channel. See you by next time the video.